Hi everyone and welcome to the Grap Coin YouTube channel. This is a further FETCH.AI chart update video. Currently the market is moving sideways and I see two main opportunities. First off, I expect stronger prices versus the $12.70 as it is a significant support level. So the chart gives us two options, both of which seem promising at the moment, but I'll have to reevaluate. Although, as you can see, wave 2 is already over, the present price trend below $127 suggests that wave 3 should be completed soon. Considering previous videos, my next goal is between $4.70 $630. One possibility holds that the bottom has already happened, but this needs verification. First, there is indication that the yellow count will probably start as an ending diagonal in wave 5, but this cannot be verified until there is a break above the final high. We would therefore be heading to the upside in accordance with the yellow microstructure if we were to break over $254. The diagonal of circle wave 5 terminates, as was already said, between 470 and 630. It is, as you can see, around 630 to the right. As such, the most recent swing low, the low from May 1st, must hold in order to maintain the yellow count, which represents the short-term bullish scenario. We can see when we enlarge that the focus should be more on this swing low, which is about $186. One may argue that the current motion is maybe an AAB. Basically, all that is left is to wait for the wave 3C wave surge, which is expected to carry us to the next upward resistance level of about $330. After that, another 4 or 5 waves ought to arrive at the previously indicated upside target zone. Here, a complicated WXY correction is shown, which might lead to one more wave Y low. The situation starts with an already finished wave, or more accurately, the B wave is currently navigating, or we are in the latter phases of this B wave. One representation of the B wave is an Elliott wave triangle. One more low in wave C of the Y4 would essentially indicate one more low in the correction. Honestly, I'm done watching. Price should drop to between $157 and $127 with many lows, but we need evidence that we're just going about our business as usual. That is, nothing changed. Should we see further lows, something is wrong. A break over the prior high of 254 obviously supports that white count, and structurally a break below that $187, $186 level suggests that we're getting close to the next FIP there. I'm still monitoring the pivotal points at 2 and 54, the $186 upside and downside breakouts, and the next targets minus 157 and 127, which are likewise marked to the downside. That would, however, suggest that this is merely the next FIP support in an overall bullish scenario, not necessarily bearish. That is all about the levels, as the market itself is unsure of its own goals, so the market structure is rather hazy. On the bigger picture of this chart, we have pretty clear metrics to watch and the levels are really obvious. We can observe that if we slightly enlarge the one-day graphic, I think we cannot count out moving up straight here, $127 and up against $127. I have to show the potential. White C, reaching say 119 is improbable, even 37 would be pushing it. Rather, I see another high in wave 3 this year, a diagonal in wave C to close, and then waves 4 and 5. I think 19 makes a solid starting point from which we can expand. Should we arrive there and signs point to further promise, we can. That's my update on FETCH. I believe this to be a consolidation within a general uptrend with a couple more upside squiggles to come. If you like this update, do hit the like button, add a comment and join up. Many thanks to everyone who watched. Bid Grap Coins, farewell.